Morning routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth after waking up. I brush my teeth after waking up. I choose my clothes for the day. I choose my clothes for the day. I make my bed before leaving my room. I make my bed before leaving my room. I have a cup of coffee in the morning. I have a cup of coffee in the morning. I prepare breakfast for my family. I prepare breakfast for my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I read the news online. I read the news online. I leave the house by 8 a.m. I leave the house by 8 a.m. I go to work by car. I go to work by car. I start my workday by checking emails. I start my workday by checking emails. Afternoon routine. I focus on my tasks for the day. I focus on my tasks for the day. I take short breaks between tasks. I take short breaks between tasks. I work on my assignments after lunch. I work on my assignments after lunch. I take notes during meetings. I take notes during meetings. I attend online classes in the afternoon. I attend online classes in the afternoon. I finish my work before leaving the office. I finish my work before leaving the office. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I usually eat a light lunch. I usually eat a light lunch. I go for a walk after lunch. I go for a walk after lunch. I sometimes take a nap in the afternoon. I sometimes take a nap in the afternoon. I pick up groceries on my way home. I pick up groceries on my way home.
Evening routine.
I arrive home at 6 p.m. I arrive home at 6 p.m. I prepare dinner for my family. I prepare dinner for my family. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I clean up the kitchen after dinner. I clean up the kitchen after dinner. I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating. I water the plants in the evening. I water the plants in the evening. I watch TV with my family. I watch TV with my family. I write in my journal before sleeping. I write in my journal before sleeping. Night routine. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I set my alarm for the next morning. I set my alarm for the next morning. I say good night to my family. I say good night to my family. I get a drink of water if I wake up at night. I get a drink of water if I wake up at night. I fall asleep quickly. I fall asleep quickly. I wake up refreshed in the morning. I wake up refreshed in the morning. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.